Hey guys, Miss Cave Troll here. So I got some seeds a couple weeks back. Woohoo! Yay! I love seeds. I love dirt. Um, I got some seeds a couple weeks back, and I'm just now getting them in the ground. None of them are vegetables; they're actually flowers. Um, and there's some specialty things that I actually couldn't find local, and that's the only reason why I ordered them online. I got them from a shop called Seed Shop off of Etsy. They came in from Hong Kong. And it took about 2 weeks for them to get in. They were about $1.75 a pack, and they did just come in these little, plastic bags. So they didn't have any instructions on them or anything, but I did some reading up online, and I'm assuming you just plant them like any other seed. Like you don't have to like soak them or any of that kind of stuff. I mean, they're so small. Why would you? But anyway, so what I got was, and I'm not even going to try to say the scientific name because I will butcher the hell of it. But I got a baby's breath, which is very, very hard to find. I know that Burpee has one. I looked it up, but the review is terrible. It was not even the right plant. Like, it just. So I'm hoping this is the right one. The picture looked right. We'll see. And then I got a Bellis mix, which is just a cut flower mix. And then I got a pink thyme. And I'm sure that I can get this pink thyme and something similar to this here local, but they were $1.75, so I was just like, I might as well get a couple. So I have actually already planted all of them. This is some older stuff that still just doesn't want to grow up. Like, this is crazy. Look at all those little tiny leaves. And it's just dripping. Oh crap, it's dripping. I'm glad those, but I'm having problems with those. So I wanted to do a little quick review of that. I did get them all put in, so we'll see. A couple weeks I'll do another review and see if they sprout. They are all heirloom though, so I don't really know. I need to do some research on that. But that is one thing that said. I will, I guess, put a link in the description below for Seed Shop if you're interested in getting any of these seeds. Like I said, I don't know how good they are. I just planted them. In a couple weeks I'll let y'all know. All right, well, y'all have a great day. Bye.